Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be installing a soft close toilet seat. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Karsten.
And I'm Clayton.
And we're the Plumbing Gurus. And on this channel, we are always striving to save you money and keep you up to date on the proper plumbing practices.
We'd like to give a shout out to the 55 subscribers we have. Thank you very much. We appreciate all the support. It's going to help us to create more videos just like this one to keep you guys all informed on all the right plumbing practices.
And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe down below. And well, let's just get into this video.
Alright, so we finally made it to the toilet seat install. We got everything laid out here. Let's get going and let's get this toilet seat installed. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to put these two bolts right on top of the hole here. And we'll put the nuts on underneath. In this case, this toilet seat is a Bemis slow close. Very efficient, cost efficient. They come in elongated and round front. And you can pick those up on the link in our description. So you tighten these nuts just like that down. And you'll find sometimes you can just tighten the top bolt and the nut doesn't spin on the bottom. In that case, you don't need to back them up. Just like that. Now we'll grab the toilet seat. There's a lock and an unlock position on the toilet seat. Make sure they're set to the unlock position. Set the toilet seat right on top of the bolts. Push them nice and flat down. Turn the two tabs to the lock position. And there we go. Got our toilet seat. Voila! Alright, I'd like to say thanks everybody for watching our video. We appreciate it very much. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave it below and click the subscribe button to our YouTube channel so you can continue to watch more videos just like this one.
And if you're wondering where you can get some of the tools and materials that we like to use, there is a link in the description below, kit.com/plumbinggurus. And for today's video, if you're wondering where we had already mentioned where you can get the toilet seat, we're going to be putting a link for that. If you don't have the screwdriver and stuff or whatever you need to install it, we'll put all the links in below for you to pick these things up. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you on the next one.